Hello there, Jesse John Productions here. Today we're going to look inside the CW80 transformer. I was just curious, so I took the shell off. It's really easy to take the shell off. You just have to remove the 4 screws on top. It's heavy. Shell's right there. This is what it looks like on the inside. Here's the controller. There's the coil. Powers it. Here's the other coil. Down there is a metal bar where electricity goes through and it goes to the ports. One of the ports is missing, but I'm going to fix that soon. Get a spare one off eBay or something. Train port site. This is what inside a transformer looks like. There's the light. This button, it's connected to the relay and it sends a signal through the wires. The coil is huge. Transformer coil. It's a beautiful transformer. Same side is the same as the other side. You got your transformer. This is off, it's not on. Horn relay. You got your other coil too. These transformers are really good made. They do wear out over time and they need cleaning, so give it a little cleaning, give it a little inspection, see if I can get it working. It does work, but the one side here wasn't really working right, so I took it off to take a look at it. So that's what inside a Lionel GW transformer looks like. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Shazzy John Productions out. Have a great day.